Quadient Customer Experience Management, or CXM, helps make every customer connection matter. We are the only end-to-end omnichannel communications provider that starts with a customer journey map. Here we see an example customer journey for automobile loan onboarding. It's broken down into 5 distinct steps: shopping for a new car, looking for information on a car loan, applying for a car loan, the application review process, and the loan outcome. Users can clearly see each of the customer interactions that take place and how they are connected to form a journey. In the area below, users have access to the communications that are served to customers at each touchpoint. But these aren't just images of those communications. They are fully interactive elements that allow you to see what is set up to be sent to customers in your active production environment. And finally, at the bottom of the map is the feeling map, allowing users to track how their customers are feeling at every step of the journey based on internal and client feedback. Double-clicking on a journey point brings up a thumbnail of the communication design for that touchpoint, and clicking on that thumbnail opens it up for group feedback via our social commenting feature. Here, business users and technical users alike can view and edit communications and content. Let's focus on a touchpoint that is not performing according to our requirements. Note that on the Feelings map, the downloadable PDF application touchpoint has not been ranked as being well perceived by our customers. Let's open up that touchpoint and work on it. Here we can see that the business line managers have added tags to the touchpoint, highlighting it as having poor delivery, being expensive to produce, and inefficient in the context of the overall journey. Clicking on the thumbnail opens up the communication in the interactive editor, where business users can add collaborative notes to communicate key edits back to the design team. In this case, the traditional print version just isn't performing very well, so the design team have leveraged the same design elements and data to create a new mobile onboarding experience for customers instead. Let's view the mobile experience from the customer's perspective. Launching the mobile application, we see the rich design capabilities built into the system, including form navigation at the top, which makes the process of filling out the form much simpler. Potential customers can select individual or co-borrower policies and are then presented with the appropriate dynamic onboarding experience to capture their personal and residential information. Engaging forms with flexible layouts help maximize customer conversions, and the inclusion of secure image capture allows designers to take advantage of mobile devices to speed up the experience. Additional fields can be presented based on the selections made by customers on prior fields, and will be used later to offer products that are tailored to the customer's geography and demographic profile. Dynamic sliders make it easy for prospects to customize their loan requests and other information in real time quickly. The system then generates a loan application review for the customer to verify before submitting for approval. This review includes the ability to have the customer verify terms and conditions and digital signature. After submitting the application, the applicant is presented with a thank you message, and a copy of their application is emailed to them. Going back to the journey map, let's open up the mobile app touchpoint. Here we can see that the experience is automatically loaded into the interactive online editor, and a business user or designer can navigate the experience in the same way that customers just did. Let's look at the next step in the journey, the approval process. Clicking the Inspire interactive ticket opens up the Inspire approval screen, where a loan officer sees the applications that are awaiting their attention. By opening up the application submitted, the approver has access to all the information input by the prospective client on one screen, and can quickly make a decision to approve the loan request. They are then presented with a personalized pre-approval message that can be customized by adding an introduction paragraph and selecting the appropriate signature from a pre-populated set of signatures. Selecting Preview allows the approver to see a copy of the customer communication that has been automatically generated for the customer. Once they have reviewed the document, the approver clicks on Submit to send it along to the next stage of the process. At this point, an email is automatically generated to the prospect, letting them know that their loan request has been pre-approved and is in the final stage of the process. The loan writer is then asked which reviewer they would like to send it to for final sign-off, and in this case they select Anja Madsen, the senior loan writer. By switching our view to Anja's active items, we can see that the loan request has been added to her queue. By clicking on the ticket, she's able to see it and review the loan details. Here, everything looks good, so she approves the loan and sends it to production. The system automatically generates a loan approval email, which is sent to the customer. The email includes a link to a password-protected PDF document, which the customer can preview. And returning to the email, the customer can click on the DocuSign link to be presented with a document for final signature. Once signed off, we can return to the final journey, where we see that the next step is the generation of a paper welcome kit or digital welcome kit, depending on the customer's selected preferences. Note that the printed welcome kit and digital welcome kit leverage the same personalized content, making it easy to create a seamless experience across both print and digital channels. Quadient Customer Experience Management makes it easy to create exceptional, omni-channel connections across the entire customer journey.